What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at 5.0 Resto's Headlight Finishing Kit designed for the 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustangs. One of the core restoration items for 87 to 93 Fox Mustangs are the headlights and the parts associated with the headlights. These components include the adjuster plates, adjusting screws, adjuster plate to header panel studs, adjuster screw retaining clips, bulb retainers, headlight seals, and of course the retaining nuts. 5.0 Resto's Headlight Finishing Kit includes everything you need to restore the headlight components in your Fox Mustang. This kit should appeal to any Fox enthusiast out there who is currently restoring their car and already have a decent set of lights, or someone who is installing a new set of headlights. Now what you're going to get in the kit is as follows. You're going to get a right hand and left hand adjusting plate, 2 headlight seals, 2 bulb retainers, 6 adjustment screw clips, 6 adjustment screws, 14 factory style retaining nuts, and 14 studs that install into the left and right hand adjusting plate, the driver and passenger side marker, and park light. For this video, I'll be showing you a few of the up-close steps of where this hardware goes. This will provide you with a little bit better understanding on how all of this hardware works. You'll start out by installing the mounting studs into the adjuster plates. The coarse thread installs into the plastic plate, and it's going to cut its own threads. Install 3 of the long adjuster studs into their respective holes on the adjuster plate. Go ahead and thread all of them halfway into the adjuster plate. The hexagonal end will face the same direction as the mounting studs or towards the header panel once installed. Align the adjuster studs and adjuster plate with the correct headlight. Fully seat each adjuster into each of the 3 holes on the headlight. Then engage 3 of the clips to secure the adjuster studs in place. You'll then install the headlight seals. Verify that all of the metal locking clips are positioned in the upright position and not at an angle. These seals are not side specific, so you'll simply align the top groove and then fully seat the 4 locking clips. Install a bulb and then rotate the bulb retainer clockwise to lock it into place. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other headlight. Of course, when installing your 87 and 93 Fox body headlights, be sure and start with the headlight first, followed by either the side marker or the park light. Be sure and secure each light with the provided retaining nuts. Once the headlights are installed, be sure and reference our detailed video on how to properly aim your new lights. Now, of course, for the most current product information and pricing on this headlight finishing kit, be sure and reference the product page. Of course, don't forget the studs for the side marker and the park lights. Now, if you already have studs pre-installed into a set of lights, you can leave them there, or you can replace them with what's included in this kit. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.